Anna, can you explain what has been behind the decision by some of these big financial firms to get involved in crypto, particularly amidst this crackdown from the SEC?
Yes. So obviously, I think because of the initiatives that have happened, we can infer that they've been in the works for a while. We had a big launch of a trading platform that's backed by Citadel and Schwab. So I think we can imagine that they have been working on it for quite a while. And what we hear from them is not necessarily that they're only interested in trading Bitcoin and ETH and the other cryptocurrencies that haven't been deemed securities by the SEC, but they actually think about maybe tokenizing traditional assets like bonds and stocks, and then trading them on using the technology behind crypto that is blockchain. So that I guess is a promise for many of them. But there is also interest clearly in the assets that exist today.
So Anna, why are they still interested in the space despite everything that has gone on over the past year?
Yeah, I guess you'd think that they'd run away. Maybe they also see an opportunity to offer better market infrastructure. I think what we saw during the FTX collapse was that the way that the crypto markets were structured doesn't really work well to manage risk. We have exchanges that also handle collateral. They custody your assets, whereas in traditional finance, these functions are separate. So there's an opportunity here for, I guess, infrastructure providers to provide infrastructure for the new asset class and make fees out of it, but also, as I was saying before, to tokenize traditional assets, so to move traditional assets like bonds on chain and then get some of the advantages of that technology.
And I feel like the narrative has shifted. We used to get you on almost on a kind of weekly basis, and the question would be, what are you watching next in terms of the next shoe to drop, the next crypto firm to collapse? Maybe the narrative has changed. So the question is, which companies, which institutional investors are you watching next to kind of get involved in this space? Is there more that could come?
Yes, I think we're paying attention. Most big banks now have blockchain divisions. Some of them don't want to call them crypto, they call them digital assets, and they get very angry if you mix them with crypto, obviously, because of the risks associated with that on a regulatory front. But we're kind of watching everyone and speaking to everyone and seeing what they're doing. It has been in the works for quite some time. So what we're interested in is what's actually happening, what is being launched at scale, and where will we see traction and benefits from it, right?